rapid expansion of the New South Wales state government railway system brought with it the need for a heavy locomotive maintenance facility. The result was the design and construction of Cardiff Workshops. The reorganisation of workshops in 1986 saw the transfer of Cardiff to the mechanical branch, and Cardiff Maintenance Centre was set up to carry out a new role. Cardiff is now the Heavy Locomotive Maintenance Centre in State Rail. The expertise gained on diesel and electric locomotive work over the previous 20 years has been put to use on a different form of maintenance. All classes of locomotive received component exchange maintenance, in which life-expired engines, alternators and other heavy parts are replaced. Staff have been trained for every class of locomotive, and 90 locomotives per year are refurbished in this way. Part of the overhaul is to paint 50 locomotives per year. The driver's cab of all the component exchange locomotives are refurbished to exact standards. The locomotive sections are equipped with 80-ton cranes, which are capable of lifting the heaviest locomotive. The traverser has been lengthened and widened, and is capable of moving the longest locomotive. Part of the component exchange work includes the exchange of power assemblies on all types of diesel engine, and the staff in the shop have the facilities and abilities to fully overhaul any type of engine. Components are stored in a secure building and moved with modern material handling equipment. The Maintenance Centre is also the home depot for 24 48 class locomotives. Equal time inspections and mini maintenance programs are carried out at Cardiff. Locomotives from the northern and other regions receive repairs after failures in service, and again the lifting capacities of the centre are a vital element in being able to change the heaviest components. When required, generators, alternators and small electrical machinery can receive heavy repairs. Again, the staff are experienced in this work. Exacting standards are used in the testing of locomotives and components, and modern testing equipment is used to satisfy the operator's requirements in service. Locomotives are modified to meet specific needs, such as this 45 class being changed to a 35 class, so as to again make it a versatile mainline lead unit. Another vital asset of the facilities at Cardiff is the wagon repair section. All types of wagons receive heavy repair after periods of service, and the centre is undergoing further change to make it the bogie and wheel change depot for the northern region. Wagons are modified to meet specific operator needs, and this work is done with competitive quotes to meet price and delivery standards. This NCHF coal hopper is being modified to carry limestone. In addition, steel wagons can be modified to hold their loads more securely. The restoration of wheels by welding has developed at Cardiff using machinery designed and custom built for the work. over 10,000 wheels have been restored since the method was introduced. This has resulted in considerable savings for State Rail. New profiles are being applied to the wheels in conjunction with the welding and have almost doubled the service life for each wheel set. Cardiff has the facilities and abilities to undertake special projects at short notice. The wheel sets from DCA are having their bearings changed in a program to eliminate failures in service. A small machining facility, including computer-controlled equipment, is retained for special item manufacture to hasten the return of rolling stock to service. Cardiff manufactures truck material for State Rail, and again this is done to a contract, which is awarded following the calling of competitive quotes from outside industry. The depot is equipped with fuel and lubricating oil equipment for the servicing of locomotives, and a modern cleaning plant ensures that all work is cleaned to ensure correct operation. A pollution control plant ensures that all effluent is correctly treated and disposed of to meet government regulations. Further improvements to the centre are in progress, and track work to the value of $2 million currently being installed will allow a much freer access to the site to facilitate the movements of locomotives and whole trainloads of wagons. This freedom of movement will minimise operating costs and offers flexibility which can't be equalled elsewhere. The costs of all work undertaken is monitored on a computer-based costing system, and Cardiff has been a leader over many years in its initiatives in cost control. The systems now in place allow the maintenance centre to virtually tender for all its work. The centre is equipped with modern staff amenities, including ablution blocks, with accommodation for both male and female staff, and a canteen to provide for staff needs. A modern ambulance room or occupational health centre is staffed by a nursing sister. The credit union is on site to allow the staff access to their pay and other financial arrangements. One of the standards that has characterised Cardiff over the years has been its industrial relations. Consultative meetings and exchange of information and problems between management and the shop committee has established an atmosphere for progress and freedom from dispute. Cardiff Maintenance Centre has the facilities, equipment and staff with experience and expertise to maintain State Rail's locomotive and wagon fleet to ensure its successful operation and meet customer demands.